Hi. Gareth from Portman's here, and we're in Balboa Park in San Diego. And we walked up here from the ship. We're on the Diamond Princess down in port there. We're between cruises. We're doing back to back, so we have this day to walk around San Diego. It was about 2 miles to walk up here, actually 2.5 to here. And it must be 11:30. So yeah, I thought you might want to see this fountain. There's a lot of museums. Of course, the San Diego Zoo is here, up that way. There's this fountain. That's the Room and H Fleet Science Center. There's a photography museum down there. Natural History Museum over here. Horticulture Center. Botanical Garden. Horticulture Center. The airport's down there, of course. Let's get Janet to walk this way. Baja California Peninsula. Well, that's where we're going. That's where we were last week, and that's where we're going this week. Sea of Cortez, actually, which is the Baja Peninsula. There's a few homeless around. That's the photography and film museum. It says Casa de Balboa. Orchid show. I think we'll go this way, down the hallowed halls. Border Patrol recruiting right there. Talk to them for a little bit. Free film. I don't know if that means to watch or to use. It does say free film. This is the orchid show and sale, I guess. Hi.
Come on in. Can you just pick it out of the plant?
Okay, give it to her. Ah, look at these. Well, that's all we're going to see at Balboa Park today. So, Gareth from Portman is saying, see you in the next port. Bye! And Janet too.